What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. In today's video I'm going to be working on making a chef's knife. Now one of the things I don't really have much experience in is just forging in general. I don't really do a lot of hand forging. I'm also not going to hand forge today. I'm going to use the machinery because I have it. But I really want to get better at doing those fine details and forging things to shape as much as possible. Obviously I use the machine to help squeeze down certain materials and this and that because I got it. What's the point of doing it all by hand? But today I want to work on making a chef's knife, and my steel of choice is going to be 52-100. I have this, I believe it's 1-inch round stock that I've had for a while now because I intended to make a chef's knife. I'm not going to do integral bolster because I'm not sure. I don't really have much experience with that, and I want to start measuring out how much steel I need for certain projects. So for starters, I'm going to be just making a regular standard chef's knife. Which style, I'm not sure, probably like Uto or just a Western style chef's knife. I'm gonna cut off 3 inches from this, so it'll be a 1-inch by 3-inch round stock, and I'm gonna forge that out and see what size knife I get from that, and from there I'll start tweaking around bigger knives, smaller knives and stuff like that, because I want to be able to get down that forging from a round stock or a square stock and forging it down into an actual knife instead of just stock removals or forging from thicker bars of flat stock. And I also hear that it's cheaper to get it in round stock. I'm not sure about that. I have to do my research. Regardless, I do want to start working with round stock, and round stock is perfect for doing integral bolsters, which I do want to get to eventually, sooner or later. So for today, that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so here is the forged out knife. It's looking pretty good. Got a little bit of a taper, not too much, and overall really like how it came out. It's looking pretty good. I have to touch it up, clean it up on the grinder, as you have to do with most knives. I just try to keep it as at the most minimal. I'll probably bring this down just a tad bit and curve it over, try to get more edge on it, because this point is way too low. I'm gonna lose a lot of edge, so I'll probably bring this and just curve it just a tad up and just this way like that. So we're looking somewhere around the 7.5, just shy of 7.5 inches. So what happened here is, since I'm learning how to, you know, measure out what amount of steel I need, I got way too little for my tang, so it ended up creating that overlap right there where I ended up grabbing more to push it, and in that process I ended up creating that little extra lip that just pushed it in like that. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna weld it shut. It's not in any spot where it's gonna be, you know, integral to that, where it's gonna have any forces. So I'm hoping that just welding it should be good. If you have any ideas what would you do besides welding there, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, I'm going to give it a quick cleanup, profile it, and I'll see you afterwards. Alright guys, so the knife is shaped up. It's just a little bit over 7 inches, might be 7 1/8, just right around there. It is 2 1/4 on the highest part of the heel, which would be here. So overall it's a pretty nice little knife. Still have to grind in the bevels, but that will be in the next part of the video. But overall I'm very happy with the way it's come out. The forge came out nice, pretty nice and straight. A little thick on the edge. I would like to make the edge thinner, but that's going to come with better practice. And it's ready for a hidden tang. Before I heat treat it, I'm going to actually fit up the guard, not the guard, but you know, the bolster area, because I'm going to do a multi-part hidden tang. So I'm going to fit that up before I heat treat, in case I need to, you know, file anything around here that's in the way, because I don't have anything other than the 2x72 to do it with, and fine details with the 2x72 sometimes are a pain and you can easily overgrind, so I'm going to try to get it done with the file beforehand. But as always guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next part of building this little chef's knife. I'll see you guys later. Peace.